Hello, my friends at First Lane underscore Mtalii. Mtalii stands for tourists. That's a Swahili word for tourists. Today is a very special day because I'm embarked on a journey where it's my first time on a cruise ship. This is a very humongous ship. I've always seen them in docks, never been in one to be precise. This ship is huge. I don't know what powers this ship, but I can see it's like the Titanic. It has some steam engine backup. I think they have backup because you don't see any steam going up. But a lot of entertainments. Just came surfing. It's kind of sunset going, so we're gonna enjoy the sunset and maybe go for dinner. Go to the room because we're a little tired, and maybe tomorrow we're gonna be up here outside and check out what this is about. I've never been open sea in my life. This is first time for everything, guys. I'm humbled. This is a journey the Titanic took from England. This is a journey the black people took from Ghana, Senegal. This is the same journey the Caucasians took the Mayflower from Europe. So a ship is very important in life because it has made a lot of people travel to destinations far from there. Yes. I'm used to travel with planes, but today I'm in a ship, a very huge ship, Johnny Masses. There's a lot of activities. Swimming, that's my favorite, it's my biggest hobby. There's bumper cars here, there's surfing, there's movie theater, there's name it. There's all kinds of activities you cannot grab. This is a sailing city, a sailing village. So there's no shortage of food, fun, family, and everybody's in a good mood because we're all in this together. We are living land. So let's look at the Chino Hills. That's where we left there. Let me see where this goes. Can see it. Thanks for watching, guys. Subscribe, share, like, and comment. This is Johnny Masses. All right.